What's up, YouTube? Aaron Too Wavy in the building, and today I'm gonna show y'all something I call the wolf method. Something I do to keep my wolf lean. Make sure y'all stay tuned through the whole video. So basic things you're gonna need for this method. Basic things that you're gonna need for any type of waves. 360s, 540s, 720s, whatever type of waves you have. These are the basic things that you're gonna need. You're gonna need yourself a mirror, rat tail comb, hard brush, medium brush, soft brush, and a plastic bag. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna start by combing with the grain. That means going like this, and then we're gonna take our comb and go backwards. All right, so y'all see the wolf. 3 weeks wolfing, not that long, you know. But next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna comb back down with the grain, start laying our hair back down. So as you already can see, I already started combing my hair down, you know. It's not all the way laid. But yeah, I just combed it down. Now we finna start our brush session. So the brush we gonna use first is, of course, our hard brush. We gonna take our mirror, make sure we're looking in the mirror, so we can hit the precise angles. Correct angles we need to hit, you know what I'm saying? So when we wanna go blind brushing, we know we'll be brushing at all times we get a mirror. So yeah, let's do that. Now since we use our hard brush now, we're gonna move over to our medium brush and get a brush session in with that. For this method, I would suggest that you brush 15 minutes with the hard and the medium. So that's 30 minutes in total with the hard and the medium, and 5 minutes with the soft. Alright, so now the next step is to get our brush session with the softy to lay down the hairs on the top of our head and wrap it up the brushes. Now I'm gonna get some focused brush working on my crown. Make sure my crown is good and lay it down and it's in place. So I'm gonna take my mirror, go like this, put it above my head, look at my other mirror, and just go like that. Use the corner of my brush to lay down and brush in my crown area. I want to be very careful, because your crown is one of the most important parts of your waves. No matter if you got 360, 540, 720s, you know my channel's for all wavers, so make sure we just get to that spot right there using our corner only. So now it's time to get the plastic bag. I'm gonna get my plastic bag. You use the plastic bag to get that final lay down on your hair. Lay down the hairs on the top of your head. Gives your hair a little shine also. So let's get into that. Now we finished with our brush session. You know, I'm gonna rag up here with my silk durag. Make sure you got a silk, no polys. And I'm gonna come back in a few minutes, about an hour or so, and show y'all the results. Alright, so now I'm gonna show y'all the results of my wolf method. How my waves look right now. It's been about an hour since I brushed. Now I see them. Not too special, you know what I'm saying? Could have put in some more brush work, you know, we still got room to improve. But if you like the video, make sure you leave a like, you subscribe, and comment what you would like to see next on my channel. You know, I'm gonna try to come out with weekly videos, cover as much things on 360 waves as I can. I got some special stuff, some reviews on some new things that's coming in the mail in a minute. So hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you come back for more, and I'll see you later.